everyone, this is my review of this electric air duster. It's pretty small, compact, and lightweight. It's rechargeable and comes with a USB-C recharging cable and a blower nozzle that has a brush in the end for dusting. This air duster has 150,000 RPM, so it's very powerful and it's easy to use. You just press the button on the bottom and it turns on. It has LED lights to show you the power level, and it has a variable switch so you don't have to hold on a trigger to adjust the blower intensity. This duster is great for dusting off your computer or air conditioning filters or any place that you have dust or hard to reach places, since it's lightweight and portable and easy to move around. You could even probably use it to inflate stuff, like inflatable beds and stuff, so it's very versatile. This is a very powerful little tool, as you can see from the distance here, so I hope this review